G'day guys, just want to show everyone my truck here, 2006 Silverado LBZ Duramax. Got full 5-inch exhaust from Flow Pro, a EFI Live 5-stage hidden in there, and a 66mm Dan's diesel turbo. Some other goodies too, like Fass fuel pump and high flow bundle kit from HSP. All that stuff. I just want to show you what it sounds like rolling through the town up here. Put the windows down when I get up here. It's definitely loud with no muffler or no nothing. I also have a trailer on. Nothing on it, but I do have it in trailer mode. Just kind of want to show you what it sounds like. Turbo brake. Slows you down pretty good too. You can tell it's pretty